Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And I've done lots of grinding. We have 10 billion now. And I got a better camera, which is actually very good. Yeah, and I think we can rebuild this video, which is probably gonna be insane. Very insane. Let's go this. Boom, boom. So look at our money fly up. And our SD cards don't like barely going down. Cause I got more SD card. Well, look at our billions flying up now. This is actually crazy. Actually, it's millions that are flying out. Wait, no. We're just a little bit off. Okay, we're almost to that best computer. I'm gonna get the best camera, actually. Let's go over there. Boom. Best camera. Okay. Maybe let's not buy that. That's actually a lot. Because this camera is going to help me a lot. I think we're going to get like this one here. Yeah, I think we're going to get that. Also, I have some V-Bucks I never actually used. Yeah, that's it. Whoa! Wait, should we save up for this computer? Cause look, we're almost there. Actually, we'll have like it's actually pretty far because it's like 2 million actually. Almost there. Okay, let's record a lot. Just one. We just need a lot of money. Okay. Let's remove this computer. This computer is gonna help us a lot. Okay. Here we go. Oh. Oh, we got some V-Bucks. Our money's flying. Yeah, this computer is definitely worth it. Oh, well, SD card. Okay, let's do this. Let's see how much money we get. Oh, we're legit almost there. Okay, let's edit again. Oh, we got another V-Buck. Okay, so this is gonna help us a lot, the internet stick. Okay. Okay, I think we can buy now. Afford it. Oh my god, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Almost there. Oh! Hello. Hey, Mom. Who are you? Your mom. What do you want? I would like to make a deal. An insane deal. What's the deal? Oh! Yeah, what do I get? 5 tokens. I'm gonna do it. What? Wait, what is that sound? Why's my screen trying to shake? Please. No. Oh my god, no. Wait, no. No, what's happening? Why is my screen getting darker? Where are you? What? No, let me out. Come on. Where am I? black. Flip the token. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Okay, I got 1 token from that. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, come on. Third time. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. How many tokens are we getting of this? Oh, okay. Yeah, we're not gonna try again. Double up. Nah. We got 9 from that though. That's insane. Okay, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hatch this. Let's go. What are we gonna get? We have like 10 tokens. I want the plaque, so that's all I want. No! I mean, that helps us get a cup, which I don't know what it does. I think it just makes potions. Let's go, let's go, let's go. But I think we want the gold ones, because I see some gold ones. Yep. Please, gold. Okay. I don't know. Those are okay, but we don't want those. What? We were just on the gold. How many do we have left? We have 5. Okay. Please give us something good. We actually opened like 10 chests cause let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. We actually opened 10 chests cause we got that token from the wheel. I was not expecting that last time. Okay, what are we gonna get? I have no idea what this does. It might be you melt it down or something. I don't know. Shred it. Ah. Okay. Okay. This is our last 2. Okay. Okay, this is our last one. Good luck, please. And we'll plaques. Or a cup, I don't know what that does. Let's go. I mean, we could have gotten a cup, which I don't know. Wait, that was our last one? Right. Yep, we're out. Now we're just back to this. But we have this. Okay, let's put flags down. Look at our boost. We're almost at 1,000 boost. Oh, where did my computer go? Wait. Yeah, it resetted. We have 2 of them now. Okay, let's place it down. But yeah, I think we're gonna end the video off there. And yeah, I think I'm gonna do a little bit of grinding. We still have our subscribers and views, but I think I'm gonna do a little bit of grinding. Probably up to this computer, maybe. But yeah, I think we're gonna end it off here. This video was actually insane. We got some good stuff out of this chest. And it was kind of actually very insane stuff we got. But yeah, I think we're gonna end it off here, and yeah. Bye.